Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mustafa Kapadia. I am an ENT specialist and Director of Education at Tarabichi Stamberger Ear and Sinus Institute in Dubai. I am standing at our new TSESI center and I am pleased to announce our first anterior and lateral skull-base cadaver dissection course from 2nd to 5th August 2022 here in Dubai. We will be having Dr. Satish Jain from India as a lead instructor for anterior skull-base course and Dr. Daniel Marchioni from Italy as a lead instructor for the lateral skull-base course. They will be covering anatomy, radiology, different surgical approaches, complications, and they will be demonstrating the most common surgical approaches and the steps in the anterior and the lateral skull-base surgery. We are having very limited seats available for the course, so register now and secure your seat. And I'm looking forward to see you all in the course. Bye, take care.